What's up, everyone? We're over here at the University of Nevada, Reno, and today we're going to do an engineering tour. It was requested by viewers a couple videos ago when we were doing the campus tour. So we're starting over here at the Paul Laxalt Center. This is the Paul Laxalt Mineral Engineering Center. It was built in 1983 and it cost $11 million to build. This is a 60,000 square foot building right by the quad. It's a very beautiful area. Not many people know about this building if you're not in engineering, but you just know it's there. But this contains classrooms and labs for mining engineering, chemical materials engineering, geological sciences. It includes the Nevada Seismology Laboratory, the Keck Mine Ventilation Lab, and a supercomputer lab all in here. I went in it yesterday. There was nothing really to record inside because I couldn't go inside of the rooms, but it's pretty cool. And then right here we have a ore car for mining, which was acknowledged for the mining institutions here in the state of Nevada. So it's a mine car, very interesting. And yeah.
What's up, guys? My name is Thomas Prince. I'm Dylan's roommate, and I'm also an engineering major, so I should know about these buildings. In front of us, right here, we have the Scrugham Engineering Mines Building. It opened it in 1963 and named after James G. Scrugham. He was a former dean of engineering, and he was the governor of Nevada. It houses multiple departments like civil, environmental, electrical engineering, as well as the Nevada Engineering Advisement Center, and the Bureau of Mines and Geology. So it's a very important building. Fun fact, this building, engineering enrollment exceeded 2,500 students as of 2023.
This one right here this is called the Palmer Engineering Building. It's pretty beautiful on the outside, and it was constructed in 1940 to 1941. There was a renovation in 2017 that added over 3,100 square feet to the interior of this building. This building was the main home of the College of Engineering until the last building we saw, Scrugham, was constructed in 1963. And this one has a Jeffersonian kind of architectural style, which was the last building on campus to have this kind of style. There's a couple buildings on campus, and it was part of like some kind of plan to make the campus beautiful. And also, I want to add, I am reading off a script because we're not 100% clear of all of these engineering buildings. There's so many on this campus, and we just want to get the facts straight, know the history behind it, and what's inside of the building. Also, I have a class in here. I have a math class, and there are some classrooms that still have chalkboards, which is kind of cool. And there's also labs.
This building right here is the Davidson Math Science Center, commonly known as the DMSC. It's not directly an engineering building, but it has many classes for engineering students, such as a lecture, which all engineering students have to take. All of your Engineering 100 lectures will be in this building. The lectures usually contain between 200 to 300 students. And it's actually very interesting. You get to do a lot of handiwork in the lab. Like, you get to do some paper making. You get to combine some materials to just make structures. It's very fun. It opened in 2010. It's roughly 100,000 square foot of state-of-the-art facility. Features 27 modern laboratories, which can hold 20 to 24 students apiece. It has 4 large classrooms, which a large classroom is about 75 students each. And it includes the 464 student auditorium that I was just telling you about.
This building right here is the Pennington Engineering Building. It's huge. That looks older, but it was all built in 2020. It has a 100,000 square foot facility, and it houses over 40 laboratories in that building. There's over 150 graduate workstations, and it features a Class 100 ISO 5 clean room that reduces air contaminants from up to 1 million parts per cubic foot to about 100. And that sounds pretty amazing. I'm not an engineering major, but that sounds state of the art. This would allow that clean room allows for research in biosensing and nanotechnology. Sounds amazing. And this building also includes a 200 student capacity classroom. Finally, this building also houses the office of the College of Engineering's dean up top floor, up over there in that area. And I also have a few clips I'm gonna roll of the inside. It's just beautiful. There's also gonna be a new restaurant coming soon. I believe it has boba and ramen. So yeah, it's the newest College of Engineering building on campus, Pennington.
This building right here is the Reid Engineering Laboratory. It was built in 1991 and it is a 50,000 square foot facility. It is the home to the largest earthquake shake tables in the United States, which is used for structural and seismic engineering research. It also houses the United States Superpave Center as well as labs for hydraulics, optical fiber, microwave robotics, and large-scale structures. That building over there, behind all the fencing, is where you will find the shake tables. Now, shake tables, if you don't know, are really interesting structures. Basically, they're used to simulate earthquake drills. There's videos online that you can find, but they're massive structures, at least this one here, because it is the biggest shake table in the United States. You can fit like 20 cars on there. It's powered by all you see here. It's a very big structure, but it's probably the most impressive part of our engineering system here at UNR.
Thank you guys for watching this engineering campus tour.
If you want to know more about a major that we haven't talked about, then just leave a comment below and then we'll film a video on that too. Thanks
See
for
you guys
watching.
in the next video.
Wolfpack.
Go Pack.